Do you know when they're getting here tomorrow? What do you choose?
No. I don't. Okay. I think it's recording.
What are you recording?
I'm trying to show George how to make this 3D printer. Alright, George. Check it out. So, I'm assuming you have these holes drilled in the bottom of your printer that let these rods run through the front and back of the wooden board. So, assuming you have that done, then you can move on to adding these red attachment pieces like I was telling you earlier. And you have to do it in order. You have to do this one, and then that one, and then that one, and then that one. And by the way, the orientation of the board is really important when you do this. So you have to make sure that there's going to be room. Just make careful note of the fact that this piece is on the same side of the wood as these bars are. And if you go on the other side, you'll notice that the board, the logic board, the Arduino, the ramps are both on this side. And so you're going to want to kind of keep track of that as you mark the holes to drill for these pieces. But you can worry about all that circuit board shit later. So for this, basically, you're going to want check out the orientation of this red piece. It's not very light, but I'll try and show you. You see how the motor attaches, and it attaches to the board. And for the placement, you're going to want to have, you're going to want the motor to be touching the ground. So put the motor inside of this red piece, and then put it in front of the wooden board. Make sure that this side is totally flush. You can tell that the red piece doesn't overlap over the board, and the motor is exactly